was able to fight back the fourth quarter. What can you say about this game?
Yeah, it's. I thought it's a learning again. Even though we got the win, we're happy with the win. But there are a lot of work to be done. Moving forward sa season na to, we have to get better at protecting leads. Okay? We know for a fact that this happened last year already.
Battery at 80%.
We have to check at those scenarios wherein the other team is making a run late in the fourth. So I'm just glad that we made a crucial plays down the stretch for us to get a bucket. What I remember was CC passing the ball to Shelo Pagdulagan on the backdoor play, and that kind of gave us some cushion before the buzzer sounds. And I have to also commend Angel Surada for really we talk about it in the pregame that we have to win in the upstairs in the boards, middle of the boards, and on the floor on the rebounding. And on some occasions, na-preserve namin yung bola just because of her basket. And also, I have to commend Jaynaba Conete, our FSA, for coming out today, really focused and making her free throws and being patient down low when she got the ball near the basket. But again, it's total team effort. Even those guys who didn't play made their impact yesterday pa lang and 2 days ago in practice. They're ready and yeah, glad we got this win and we'll get better as the season goes on.
Thank you, Coach Arias. To Jaynaba, he had 17 points on 11 of 12 free throws and 3 of 3 field goals, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal, and 1 block. So what can you say about your performance today and what we can expect from you from the rest of the season? What can you say?
So, I'm focused today and I can help you today. Coach Alice tell me not to stop go. I'm tayo, so it's okay na go hard, not stop after I'm getting rebound. And my whole team passed me because US don't have effort or appreciation for all of that. Thank you.
Thank you. To Angelica. Angelica, yeah, 11 points. Oh, double. 11 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 skills. Ano man nasabi mo na yun? Naitawin nyo yung finals ni match ngayong araw na to. Although nakalapit yung USD, ano man nasabi mo sa performance?
Siyempre po, masaya. Pero lagi ko pong sinasabi ang mga teammates ko na always stay on the ground. Kasi wala pa po kami napapatunayan.
Thank you. To CC, you had 14 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists, including the crucial pass to Shelo. So, what can you say about your team's performance today? And moving forward, what have you learned from this game against USD?
I'm just so proud that everyone stayed, like what Angel said, stayed on the ground. But we kept using this signal here. We don't want to go too high, too low. As you saw in the fourth quarter, they had a run. But unlike last year, this year we stayed in it. We didn't give up. Everyone rallied together, and I think it really goes to show that this team plays for each other. And I think you're going to see that for the rest of the season.
Thank you, CC. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Good morning po. This question is for Coach. So last year, AP season, UST and NU were rivals and for the championship. So what do you think ang pinaka-naging improvement ng team compared to the match last season?
I thought this game we stayed locked in what we were trying to do in this game, and though that UST outscored us in the fourth, 27-13, nobody folded and they stuck together. They found a way to make some crucial plays, and credit also to UST for that run again. They are a resilient basketball team. So the next time we face them, we have to check that tendency of them for us to be able to take away the game when it matters the most.
Coach, medyo spread out naman yung minutes dun sa mga nag-exceed ng 15 and above. Pero siya lang pagtulagan 25 minutes. For a team na buo pa rin yung board, yung rookie na mabigyan ng ganyan karaming minutes. Can you just talk about yung tiwala na binibigay mo sa kanya? And siguro yung pag-repay niya ng binibigay mo.
Not just Shell. It goes down to the first guy until the last guy ng bench namin. They are always ready when their number is called. They are ready to make an impact to the game. Hindi lang si Shell, it spreads towards the entire roster sa amin. It's just nangyari lang ngayon is medyo nakat namin ng konti yung rotation namin. But again, Shell has been earning those minutes, and hindi pa talaga siya nakakakuha ng talagang breakout game in the UAAP, but it doesn't matter to us as long as we get the W after the final buzzer, and she'll get better as we play this game, for sure. I'm sure about that. And lahat naman kami dito is supporting each other in terms of kung gagamitin ka or not.
Coach, yung free throw disparity in this game is 36-12. So, I'd like to ask how were you satisfied sa aggressiveness na pinakita ng team overall in this game?
You mentioned that discrepancy on the free throw line. I thought we were aggressive today on putting the ball to our bigs, where we felt we had a little bit of advantage against the other team. And I'm glad that Jainaba scored all of her shots in the paint. Those shots na hindi naman na shoot because she was aggressive, she was fouled, and she did a very, very great job on the free throw line. Dati, 1 out of 8 to, and then she started refocusing in practice, and hopefully she continues to do that and get better at that. From 1 out of 8, last game mas maganda siya, and today I thought she was superb with 11 of 12. So good job, Jainaba, making your free throws.
First, Game 3 last year was a performance of Game 3. I guess this is how eager were you to face UST again and put on this type of performance where we were across the board?
I didn't get to play UST in the preseason, so this game is 9 months coming. It's like my baby, you know, I waited 9 months to play this game to make something happen again, to forget about that game. I think this was the perfect way to do it. That game was heavy. I mean, like, it weighed on me for months, and I'm just so thankful that I had a chance to be with these players again, to compete with them again, and to be their captain again. I think I take that responsibility so much more this year, and I'm making sure that I'm always there for them, whatever role I need to be. Game 3, I wasn't there, so I made it a point that every game, no matter who we're gonna play up against, I'll be there for them.
Coach, last season niya, mabigat yung talo niyo ng Game 3 pagpasok ng Stadion. Siguro, paano nyo pinatay yung emotions sa team heading, especially facing UST na kung magaling yung rivals nyo?
I thought we just told the guys we play with no emotions. We play any basketball way, and not to think of the past no more, and move forward and really focus on this game, on what we want to do. Nandun na yung usapan namin. We never talk about the last year's result. We were really moving forward from that game, and hopefully again we get better as the season goes. Again, itong mga batang to are focused enough to really absorb instructions, and hopefully mag-improve pa kami doon.
To CC. Can you talk about the effort made to limit the baskets, the touches of the 3 leaders of UST, Ken Pastrana, Eka Soriano, and Taki Takati?
I think everyone knows that those 3 players are some of the best players in the league. So we put a big emphasis on that during practice for them, the first practice that we had. Those are our high alert players. And I think that everyone who knew that they were going to match up on them took the extra effort to watch film, to know their tendencies, because when you respect a player, you want to step up. You know, you want to guard them, you want to prevent them from scoring, and I think we did exactly that. They're the core of the team, and by taking them out of the situation, it made the game a lot easier for everyone else.
Coach, how satisfied are you lang dun sa yung naging resulta ng defensive matches?
Actually, I'm not satisfied, but I am very, very happy. We're far from being satisfied because again, every time you'll face that team, ganyan sila. They won't go away. They won't simply go away easily. They'll find a way to come back. That's part of their character. And again, we have to be able to check that sa mga next games namin makakatapat sila. And this game is another lesson for us na I am happy na naitawid namin yung panalo. And that's for everyone.
Congratulations.